In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when Yahoo keeps replacing Google Chrome as your search engine. This process should take no more than 5 minutes and will help you regain control over your browser settings. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. This is often referred to as the More button. Clicking on these dots will present you with a drop-down menu packed with multiple options to explore and adjust various settings of your browser. Next, from this drop-down menu, select the option labelled Settings. Clicking on this will transition you to a new page filled with all kinds of configurable settings for your web experience. Now on the left side of the screen you'll find a list of categories. Look for search engine among these options and give it a click. Once you're on the search engine page, focus on the section that lets you choose your default search provider. Here you'll be presented with a list where you can see which search engine your browser currently uses. You'll want to make sure that Google is selected here. If it's not already selected, go ahead and click on Google. After selecting Google, you need to lock it in as your default search engine choice. The next step is to find the Set as Default button, which is usually located next to the list of search engines. By clicking on this button, you're ensuring that Google remains the default search engine, preventing Yahoo from sneaking back without your consent. But there's one more step to make sure that unwanted search engines cannot interfere again. Look for the Manage Search Engines button and click on it. This brings up a more detailed list of all the search engines currently recognized by your browser. Beside each entry in this list, you'll notice another set of 3 dots. Clicking these dots will provide an option to delete search engines you no longer want. It's a good idea to scan through this list and remove any search engines that you don't regularly use or recognize, especially if Yahoo is among them, to prevent it from resetting as your primary search engine unexpectedly. And that's it. You've taken control of your browser settings and learned how to maintain your choice of Google as your default search engine. This should immediately resolve any issues you've been experiencing with Yahoo unexpectedly replacing Google. Always remember that having fewer potential search engines can reduce the risk of default settings switching without your knowledge. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.